Howdy folks, TJ here. I think my camera's a little tilted. It's kind of pointing this way. It's throwing me off a little bit. But we're going to go for it, even if I'm a little tilted today. Received a package in the mail. This is going to be a quick unboxing. Don't have the time to test today, but I will be testing hopefully in the coming week or two. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while, but with so many retro computers that I enjoy using, it's hard to A, find the time to play with it, B, the money to buy stuff to play with it more. It's a never-ending cycle, but this is something I want to get, and this computer is, one of those unique ones. We'll put it at that. It's got a little bit of a cult following, and some people say it's just a toy. Others say, no, it's not a toy. It can be quite fun, and you can do fun stuff with it. That's what I like about it, and the community is quite cool, too. There's a number of handfuls of people that enjoy this computer, which makes it all the more fun for folks like me. I'm hoping in 2022 I can dive into it more. In fact, I have another goodie coming in for it, so I finally bit the bullet and ordered this, and then I also ordered another thing. Like my dad would already say, my dad loves sourdough toast for breakfast, so when he would order, his common MO goes, I want the toast that comes with the meal. I want to get another side of sourdough toast, and I want to get another side of sourdough toast. So that's the original one, the first one that comes with the meal, the second one, and the third one. That's kind of like what this computer is. And what am I talking about? It's hidden under here. It does say Intellivision, but it's not Intellivision. It is an Aquarius computer. And I've got it buried under some paperwork and a Intellivision shirt. The Intellivision shirt, though, is keeping dust off the keyboard as best as I can. So with no further ado, let's pop this open. So I did take the liberty of opening this a little bit to where it could open a little easier. And inside he's got a bubble wrap package. So I don't want everything to come flying out. Oh, this is kind of fun and interesting. Ooh. Oh, now I made a mess. Yeah, but I can't help myself. Ooh, it's got all sorts. Oh, there's some more. Thanks, Jay. This is really kind of fun. Kind of like a cat. You don't need to send me the goods. You just send me the packaging. There's still some more. Oh, we're coming to a standstill here. Now we've got some. Oh, this one landed right back in. That was a good one. Oh, now I got a mess to clean. Dang it. So what did I get? You can probably see it through this a little bit. It's some Aquarius goodies. He packed it really nice. Let me put this over here because I got some more. Dang it. It's got to be a messy. Oh, there's just some more. Okay, now I've got a complete mess. My wife would be yelling at me right now if I was in here. If I had my puppy in here, she'd be ripping stuff to shreds. So what did I purchase? I purchased the Aquaricart, cool name, and the 32K memory module, all for the Aquarius. I already have the micro expander that takes 2 cartridges, so I can plug in the Aquaricart, the 32K memory, and be ready to rock and roll with some serious Aquarius action. On the back, it looks like he's got his signature, a number 1317. I don't know if he sold 1,317 of these or it's something else, but 11/4/2021. He's got a little date on there. So that's kind of fun. Got a little Aquarius logo on the back. And it looks like, oh, there's probably a little booklet of some kind that he's got back there. So let me actually make this unboxing a little bit more. Oh, he's got tape all over this thing. Sometimes half the fun is opening these packages. He must have knew we have cats because he knew TJ was going to throw all this stuff all over the place and make a mess. Now, I wish I had a... this is probably not the brightest way to open up this pack. I just need to make a little slit. Here. Oh. Oh, 1. Oh. 2. Almost there. Hold tight. Hold your horses. Okay, so let's check first. So yes, it is a little manual. There's the front. Here's the back. And it's a nice printed manual too, Aquaricart. Cartridge instructions, 23 cartridges in one. Includes built-in instruction manuals and overlays which you can print on or view on screen. That's cool. That's a neat idea. Features unreleased and prototype software, exclusive trivia, rarity guides, and more. To be used with the Aquarius home computer system. Sweet. Now, I do wish that the cartridge actually looked like the original cartridges. That would have been really cool, but it's a regular cartridge, and we'll soon see. So, yeah, this booklet is really well done. It's got almost like I purchased it back in the 1980s. How to check your equipment, connect it up. Shows you how to connect your micro expander to it. Not to mix it up with mini expander. Is it micro expander? Mini expander? I'm already getting confused. Where is my mini expander? Oh, no. Oh, God. Oh, it's back there. It's the mini expander. Mini expander is what I've got. I don't have the micro expander. But we'll keep that open because it could be coming. Okay, so let's keep going. Yeah, so the wonderful user manual. You probably don't care about that much, but, look, shows off the main menu, what I'm expecting. So this thing is going to walk me through using it. Dummy TJ, this is how to use it. Sweet. So nice little booklet. And then and I'm going to keep these in their packaging. I don't think I need to take these out yet. But these are very nice, well-made cartridges. Like I said, it would have been cool if he could have stuck to, but it probably would have been harder to make the original style cartridges. But that would have been cool. Here's the back. Nothing on the back, but it looks like there's 4 screws that lets a commoner like me undo it. Oh, on the corners, cool. It does show he's got little Does it say Aquarius? Yeah, Aquarius 32 memory module, Aquaricart. It's got the nice names. I don't know if you'll pick these up in the lighting, and it's got plastic on it still, but very cool. So, look forward to some more Aquarius videos. Now I've got to go find a broom and clean this damn office up. Thanks, Jay. You made a mess. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day. Come back for more where I test this out and show off what the Aquarius can do. And as, I've already forgot his name, the bloke from Scotland. Oh, I'm in live video and I forgot. Tone Loke, the Wii keyboard, the Wii blue keys. Oh, I've already forgot your name. I mean, I know it because you're a friend on Facebook. What is your name? Oh, I know what it is. The man who owns way too many retro computers, and I want to steal some of yours. I'll leave it at that. I knew your name. I just wanted to lead to that.